Hi, this is Tammy Frazier, Education Consultant with IVS. We're continuing our video tutorial series on how Smart Ink works. In this video, we're focusing on users with Windows XP and previous versions of Microsoft Office. We're going to look at how to annotate over top of PowerPoints when in slideshow view. If you watched our previous video on PowerPoint and Smart Ink, you saw that the newest version of Microsoft and working with Windows 7, there's going to be a Smart Ink toolbar for PowerPoint when we launch our PowerPoint in slideshow view. However, in the system that we're using right now, when we're in slideshow view, picking up a Smart Pen is going to advance to the next slide instead. You may still annotate over a PowerPoint in slideshow view using the steps I show you on the next page. We're going to first launch Smart Notebook software, and this can be a new or existing file. And once that's been launched, we're going to select View Screens from the Smart Notebook toolbar. The icon looks like a monitor with a magnifying glass on it. From here, we're going to select Transparent Background. This is going to make our Smart Notebook interface transparent. Once that's transparent, we can open our PowerPoint presentation and begin our slideshow. Once that's started, we can pick up a pen and just begin annotating. So let's take a look at using Smart Pens with a PowerPoint slideshow. I can open a new or existing Smart file. In this case, I'm just going to add a page using the Add Page icon. Looks like a piece of paper with a plus, so that I have nothing on my screen for when I navigate to transparent background. Going to select View Screens from the toolbar, which is the monitor with the magnifying glass, and select the second option, which is Transparent Background. This makes our Smart Notebook interface transparent, and I do have access to a toolbar. This is my Smart Notebook toolbar right here, and I can drag it around using the blue bar. Next, we'll go into slideshow view for our PowerPoint, and I do that by selecting Current Slide in the PowerPoint toolbar. And you'll see it's going to launch our PowerPoint in slideshow view. From here, I can pick up a pen from the pen tray and just begin annotating right over top of my PowerPoint. I want to point one thing out, and that's that when I turn the page within this PowerPoint, my ink is going to stay in place, staying basically in that workspace within my Smart Notebook software. So navigating the pages does not delete the ink. So what I'll want to do is clear the ink, and I can do that using the clear ink icon. Looks like a piece of paper with an eraser swiping over top of it. Once I select that, my ink is going to disappear, and navigating to the next page, I won't have that ink in the way as I teach from my PowerPoint on the next page. I can then select the transparent background icon in that Smart Notebook floating toolbar, and that's going to bring me back to my blank Smart Notebook interface. And that's how we're going to annotate over PowerPoint when we're running previous versions of Microsoft and Windows XP. Hopefully you found this video tutorial useful. We'll see you again soon. Thank you so much.